I'm Dr. Jen Lexington, one of the psychologists at the Center for Counseling and Psychological Health, and today I'm here to talk to you about the concept of worry time. This is a technique that we use to help people that have chronic worry or consistent worry, which I think many of us are experiencing right now. So just to be clear, worry is when we have excessive thinking, typically related to negative events that may or may not occur in the future. Sometimes worry can be quite functional. As we anticipate danger, we can figure out ways and develop plans to manage that danger. But more often than not, worry becomes excessive and it becomes problematic because we're thinking about issues that we can't really gain any control over. We find that it increases anxiety and often causes a great deal of distress. So we all worry. It's a really normal part of human life. But the goal of our technique today is to start to work on more effective ways to worry. If you have to worry, worry better. So we're going to talk about worry time. With worry time, we set aside 20 minutes per day, during which time we're going to worry. During this 20 minutes, it's the only thing that we're going to do. We have a time and a place set aside in which to have that worry. We'll talk about how we approach that worry during that 20 minutes. Most importantly, there's a start point and there's an end point. So if the end point is 7:20, we need to have something that we're going to do at 7:20 to pull us out of the worry. I recommend pleasurable activities, connecting with a friend, watching a favorite TV show, reading a book, eating a meal. Okay, so it's a 3-step process. Step 1, recognize worry and label it for what it is. This involves not being judgmental, that you are stuck in worrying yet again, but rather realizing that you're stuck, catching yourself when it's happening, just labeling it for what it is. Second is accepting that it is worry, again, trying to let go of that judgment. And finally is delaying the worry. This is the most difficult part. Once we get stuck in worry, it's really easy to keep going around and around in circles. So in order to delay the worry, consider writing down the content of the worry, put it in your phone, put it on a piece of paper that you carry around with you, and commit to revisiting that worry during worry time later. I think we often think that we need to worry, that worry is somehow going to solve the problem. And in fact, worry is rarely helpful. It's more of a rumination. It's more of us being stuck versus problem solving, which can be helpful. So once you have all that done, follow through on the worry time. Don't tell yourself you're going to have worry time and then not have it, because you can have some rebound worry. So if you say from 7 to 7:20, I'm going to worry, do it. During that 20 minutes, you start by going through each item on your list, trying to understand what it is you're worrying about, what might have triggered that worry, and then most importantly, ask yourself one question. Can I change or control the content that is driving this worry? And if the answer is no, begin to let it go. If the answer is yes, develop a plan and work toward actualizing that plan. Worry time is really useful. It can help us gain perspective and start to prioritize the different worries that we have. It can help us put our energy to those issues that we can actually solve and start to let go of those that we can't. There's lots of different ways to manage the letting go piece. I'm sure many of these videos will have information on that. But for additional resources on worry time, as well as ways to start to let go and to manage anxiety more broadly, please refer to the resources that accompany this video. I wish you the best of luck in managing these difficult times and encourage you to reach out if we can be of help at CCPH. Good luck. Take care.